It's a slow process, but relatively eventful.
I agree. MakerBot.
Replicator desktop video. Here's a sample. Chains.
Here, can you see? This is a sample. This is chains. Here you go.
Okay.
It's doing that thing again.
Have you noticed that it sounds remarkably like Pac-Man?
Yeah.
Like as if they actually intended that?
And it's printing out nut and bolt. Anyway, here in the front, this is the status screen here. About 45 minutes left, so it does do that.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna stay here for 45 minutes to know.
Alright. That's pretty much it. That's pretty funky, I gotta
Hold
tell
on
you.
a second. I have got to ask the guy if there's a sound emitter in here.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway.
Now it sounds like, Galaga.
This can't be a coincidence.
It can't.
Alright, thanks, like, comment, subscribe.
That's what all these people think.